Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing great. In today's video, I am sharing my complete face shaving routine, and I've been shaving my face for about 5 years now, and I've always adapted a different method over the years. And currently the method that I'm doing is helping my skin really well. I shave in a certain way, and I do follow all the steps and make sure my skin doesn't have any kind of after reaction. I asked you guys if you have any questions regarding shaving, and quite a lot of you have questions, and mostly the questions are repeated. So I have my phone right here. I'm going to answer these questions while I do my shaving. Alright, without any further ado, let's start shaving. So before you go ahead shaving your face, you're first always supposed to cleanse your skin really well. And I've been using this Dermafique Acne Avert cleansing mousse. This is the one. Stay tuned on my complete thoughts on this. I have this much left. I'm going to finish this and give my complete review on this. I want to use it for some more days to share my final thoughts. So let's get to the cleansing part. So this is how the foam looks. I already did go ahead and wet my face, so I haven't gone with the cleanser directly on my skin. I just want to let you guys know I had wet my skin. Alright, I washed off the cleanser. Now just pat it dry. So once I cleanse my face and pat it dry, the next step is to steam my face, and I steam my face for about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm using this one from HealthSense. I got it off Amazon, and yeah, it is a pretty decent one. So why I steam my face is I am prone to acne, and for me steaming is really necessary because it helps to open the pores, and also shaving becomes really easier, and there will be no reaction. There'll be no after reaction because of shaving. So steaming is really necessary for me. Alright, I'm going to take the first question you guys have asked, which is the most asked question. After shaving your face, does the hair grow back even more thicker? That's what she's concerned about. You guys, the hair doesn't grow back thicker. It just grows back from where you have shaved, which is why it appears thicker, but it is not thicker. It's the same hair that you have cut. It's just going to grow from there. That's it. It doesn't grow thicker. You don't have to be worried about that aspect of shaving at all. Okay, now you will need a lubricant that will help the razor glide easily, and I prefer using aloe vera gel. This is from the Face Shop. This is the Jeju Aloe 99% one. Okay, I really like this, and this is what I use for shaving, and this is quite a huge jar for the price that they're providing. I really like it. So I'm going to take like that much. So I'm going to use it just one side of my face first. Okay, the next question is which brand shaving blade tool I prefer. I prefer this one. This is from a brand called as LetsShave. It also has an protective plastic cap. And with that being said, there's another question asking how many times I use one blade for shaving. So once I use this particular one for 3 times, like 3 times I've shaved my face, I dispose this and then take a brand new one. That's the way I like it, because in that way this one is not going to be sanitized once you use it for more than 3 times, and I prefer a good sanitized new razor every time I shave my face, only because my skin is very sensitive. I'm prone to acne and prone to reaction after shaving, which is why I prefer using a new one every 3 times of shaving. So I have a reusable cotton pad right here. It is a very nice one, a good quality one. I'm going to link it down in the description. So I just, wrap it around my finger, and this way my fingers will not slide around my skin, and so this will help me to pull my skin and keep it in place, and I will start shaving. Also make sure you shave in one direction. Do not do in the opposite direction of the hair growth. That will cause ingrown and bumpy texture. So make sure you have the razor in the right angle. Don't have it like this in the 90 degrees. That's going to cut your skin. And also this is a new one, and it'll be very, very sharp. I'll just use a white cotton pad so that you all can see. So that's the amount of hair that has come out. So I'm going to put some on my upper lip. You can also use any of your favorite facial oils, but I feel like people who have this reactive after shaving, it's better to use aloe vera gel. And I'm going to do my upper lip. So I prefer to do one area at a time because I get the control of where I have done so that I don't miss places. Alright, I'm going to do the same steps again. Pull your skin. Keep your razor in an angle and start gliding your razor. So I start from the middle. Okay, the next common question I've got is, how many times do I shave my face? I shave my face at least once in 2 weeks. It depends on how much growth has happened. Based on that, I shave. Okay, the next question is, I have a bumpy texture and also some pimples on my cheeks. Do you recommend shaving? Okay, so I would tell you that first focus on getting your skin healthy. Make sure you have no texture in your skin, because razors are really sharp, and when you're going on the texture or any kind of bump, it can cut you and it can aggravate that pimple. So focus on getting better with your skin and then you start shaving. Unless and until you have like a smooth, good texture, I don't recommend shaving. In my personal experience, I have done this before. I did have a lot of bumpy texture and I have shaved, and I have irritated my acne, which has gone wild, which is why I recommend not to shave or don't do any kind of peels or whatever when you have texture and active acne. Make sure you work on it. Once it's all healed and once you have a good texture, then you can start shaving your face. So once I finish shaving my face, I go with some more aloe vera gel. This is from TONYMOLY. This is their Aloe 99% soothing gel. Now you all can ask me why I have 2 aloe vera gels in this video. Only because I have this tube in the refrigerator always. This tube is in the fridge, and this one is in the bathroom only because my husband also uses this. And this one is like freezing cold right now, which is a great way to help your skin soothe a little, because you've shaved your face. This is really cold. So I'm going to apply a thick layer. So So I'm going to leave this for some time, like 15 minutes, to let the aloe vera gel completely absorb into my skin. And then I'm going to go ahead with the moisturizer. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes now and the aloe vera gel is completely absorbed into my skin. Now I'm just going to use a moisturizer, and I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel again. This is also kept in the refrigerator. It is cold. Okay, I have another question where someone had asked if you prefer wet shaving or dry shaving. You guys, I personally like wet shaving only because the razor glides really well and there is no kind of irritation to my skin. I feel like this process has helped my skin. So I don't think so I would try a different method because I already know this works the best for me. Okay, right after I moisturize my skin, I take like a small ice cube and go over once, just a little bit, because my skin used to react before. I used to get these small razor bumps, but once I started icing, that stopped coming. So I'll just rub ice cube all over my face. Alright, I'm going to answer the last question. Is shaving bad or good? Is it harmful in any way? Personally, I feel it is not harmful unless and until you do the steps in the right way. I've done what I do. If you want to include more steps, you can always do it. And I personally feel shaving is really good. It's a form of exfoliation. And once your shaving is done and your skincare products, whatever you're using, your serums, your actives, they work better on your skin. I have seen a lot of people waxing their face. You guys, shaving is so much better. Please, for God's sake, don't go shave your face, because your skin on the face is very sensitive. It is not like the skin that you have on your body. So please do not wax your face. Prefer going for shaving if you feel like I want to be hands-on and I want to do it by myself. I don't want to go anywhere else to get it done. Or if you feel like, no, I want a solution for a longer period of time, you can go try laser treatments. I myself have not gone for a laser, but maybe in future I would want to give it a try. But I feel like shaving is working great for me. Also, I want to mention that on the days you have shaved your face, do not use any kind of active ingredients in your skincare routine. Just go back with aloe vera gel every 2 hours, or if you feel like, no, I don't want to, then keep moisturizing your skin. That is a great way to keep your skin away from any kind of reaction because of shaving. All the products that I used in this video, I will link it down in the description. Do check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will make more such videos. Do let me know your suggestions, what you would want to see on my channel, and I will make them for you. And yeah, until then, you guys take care. I will be back real soon.